This is the lemongrass. This is the lemongrass. The lemongrass is very powerful in treating typhoid fever, malaria, jaundice, and then this leaf also, the tea from this leaf even boosts your energy level for the day. It's very powerful leaf. In my community, that is what we use to treat severe malaria and then typhoid fever, stomach upset, and all kind of diseases that are um, affecting the human system, even the respiratory system. Sometimes we cut the leaves and then boil it in the cooking pot, and you will be covered with cloth, and then the vapor will enter your nose so that your respiratory system, if there's any problem like catarrh and all those kind of things, it can be catered for. So this leaf is also very powerful in its physical and then its health benefits. It's very powerful and useful. They have a lot of benefits. I have done an extensive video about its full uses on this channel. Please subscribe and then watch the full video, and you'll be fine and you understand the full benefit of this plant. It is very beneficial when it comes to children. It's also used to treat a lot of problems in children. I've taught this on the channel, and also even it is also taken as a normal tea to even increase your metabolism rate, to make your metabolism rate increases. And we know that once your metabolism increases, your system will be working effectively, because once the metabolism rate increases, toxins and all other things are being removed from the body. Yes, also if you are suffering from inflammatory problems, chronic inflammatory problems, get this leaf and prepare a tea, take it, and you'll be fine. Subscribe to the channel and watch more videos.